Now that the introduction and basic orientation is over, let's start with section 2, which is Agentic AI Fundamentals and Myths. Now we'll go to a more detailed level discussion on the core topics. This is absolutely important for us to be able to write our own agents. We will start with taking a deeper look at what is Agentic AI. Agentic AI refers to an AI system that can perceive, reason, take actions, learn from the outcomes, and operate with a degree of autonomy. These systems aren't just responding to prompts, they are thinking in loops, making decisions, and adapting. Every single word is important out here. We have already discussed about the meaning of autonomous and semi-autonomous. Now it's important to understand that it does not just respond to the prompt given to it, but it can think in loops and most importantly make decisions and self-learns and adapts itself to the prevailing context to make more effective decisions over a period of time. What are its core features? It's goal-oriented. That is, every agent has a defined objective that it strives to achieve. It's context-aware. That is, agents gather information from user input, memory, tools, and their environment. It has the capability to initiate an action. That is, they can execute steps to pursue their goals, leveraging various tools. Here is a comparison between a chatbot, LLM, and an agent. A chatbot answers questions, but does not necessarily act. LLM generates responses, is a brain behind all actions, but does not act on its own. Agent is the one which uses an LLM with a broader decision-making loop, can break down tasks, use tools, store or recall information, collaborate, and learn as well. To summarize, agent follows a continuous loop of observe, think, act, reflect, and then repeat the steps. This is sometimes called the agentic loop or the perception reasoning action cycle. It observes the task and the environment. It plans its next steps. It takes action using a tool or subroutine. It reflects on the result. And based upon that, it updates memory and reevaluates the next move. Here are some real world examples. Let's consider a research agent. Like a real life agent, it conducts multiple web searches to research its topic, reads the content, takes notes, summarizes, and finally puts it all together as his research on the topic, documents it, and often publishes it as a paper or in a report format. Now let's consider customer support agents. Typically, the L0 agents attends user calls, responds if it's a user education issue. If not, it creates a ticket and assigns it to an appropriate L1 agent based on the topic or subtopic the issue belongs to, and the process completes. If at any point of time the AI agent feels that it is not equipped to resolve the ticket, it transfers it to the human in loop. Now let us take the example of a software dev agent. Like a typical SDLC or software development lifecycle, the AI agent writes code, runs tests, debugs based on logs and feedback, and make modifications to the code till the stated objective of the code is achieved. These agents proficiently use tools, manage state and memory, and often form integral part of larger complex workflows. One important thing to understand out here is that agentic AI is not synonymous with AGI or artificial general intelligence. What it means is that these systems aren't truly conscious or creative in a human sense. They follow structured logic loops enhanced by LLMs to simulate intelligent behavior, which looks like that they are intelligent or they have AGI, but they are not. They are simulated intelligence. So that is while they appear smart, the intelligence comes from design, data, and dynamic feedback loops, not general understanding. Now let's talk about the evolution from chatbots to agents. Traditional chatbots operates on rules and decision trees. It's same as IVR kind of a thing. Once you give a cue, it gives you a certain set of options. As you traverse through its tree, it's able to converse. Once you fall out of a branch, it resorts back to a human representative. Enter LLMs. These models understand natural language, can reason with a prompt, and generate coherent text. They power conversational AI, but they are still passive unless you wrap them in a loop. For example, ask ChatGPT 4 to write a poem, and it does. But it won't decide to send that poem to your email or rework it for a different audience unless you specifically instruct it to do so. Recently, OpenAI has, however, incorporated agent options. Agents, or rather AI agents, take this paradigm further. They set goals, take actions, learn, adapt, and collaborate. They bring autonomy, memory, planning, and tool use to the mix. They can take up the role as is designated to achieve a particular intended goal. This is what changes with agentic AI. Most important out here is the fact that we moved from a scripted logic to LLM powered reasoning. Hence, agents are active participants, not just passive responders. Here is the biggest myth we need to bust here. Agentic AI brings us closer to the experience of working with a human assistant. But let's be clear, agents are not conscious. They don't understand like humans. The agent loop: perceive, think, act, learn. This foundational concept gives agents their autonomy and adaptive power, transforming them from simple LLM systems into truly intelligent assistants capable of iterative improvement. Each iteration of this code loop helps the agents move closer to achieving its goal, building intelligence through repeated cycles of interaction. Step one of this loop is perceive. The agents begins its journey by capturing all available information from its environment, creating a clear picture of its 360-degree surroundings. The information may come in the form of user input, context from conversation history, memory from vector stores, embeddings, and knowledge bases, and external data through API responses, environment status, and tool responses. In specific scenarios, IoT-enabled connected ecosystem act as a source of environmental information. Next step is think. During the thinking phase, the agent processes the gathered information and determines the best course of action through sophisticated reasoning techniques. It involves interpretation, as part of which it analyzes input and understands the implied task. Next comes planning, during which it generates step-by-step approach using LLM reasoning. Wherever required, it selects the appropriate tools for execution. Some of the key techniques involve React, chain of thought prompting, and others. We will take a closer look at these down the line. Step 3 is to act. Once the agent has formulated a plan, it executes the chosen actions to make progress towards its goal. It might involve an API call, it might do some function calling to process data, perform calculations, or transform content. It might perform some data operations like querying the databases, writing files, or manipulating structured information. Finally comes the learn phase, which helps it to improve the quality of the action performed. Learn involve multiple steps. First of it being analysis and reflection. It evaluates the outcomes against the objectives, identifies what has gone right and what has gone not so right, determines the root causes of the anomalies. Next, it does memory updates, whereby it stores relevant information for future use, update knowledge base with new findings, and finally, it adjusts the strategy. That is, modify approach based on the feedback, reprioritize the remaining tasks, and selects alternative methods wherever required. For example, if a search query does not return result, it does not instantly get back to the user. The agent tries to refine and expand the query to get a relevant response. The agent loop continues until a termination condition is met, enabling sophisticated problem solving through iteration. Now, what can be these termination conditions? It may be that the goal is successfully achieved, or the user explicitly ends the session, or the safety and resource limits are reached. This iterative process transforms agents from single step tools to adaptive systems capable of handling complex multi stage tasks. Agents can recover from errors and work tirelessly 24 into 7. It's on a continuous improvement mode, getting better over time through experience.